Hey Jammers, it's still Jaden9308, and today I'm going to be doing a special video, and I'm going to be showing you uploading my video. And this is the video that some of you seen. It's how to get a rare headdress on Animal Jam.
Hey Jammers,
I'm going to be playing it a little bit.
here, and yes, it's still Jaden9308. I haven't changed.
That's me. Okay, so I'm going to publish it to YouTube. I'm going to call it This is just like for those of you who wonder like how I do it and stuff. I use Oops, 2 minutes. Still. So for those of you that are like watching this on your phones and nothing can't read it, says, "Hey Jammers, it's me Jaden9308 still. I'm going to be showing you how to get a rare headdress on AJ without trading. Watch me make this video and another video. Animal Jam. Custom color. What should I do, guys? For the last video I did that. Okay, comment below on which color you want me to do for my next one. Let's go with this. And let's move this and try and move this up. Doesn't show it, but okay. Just pressed upload. So it's uploading right now. So yeah.
Yet, and I probably won't in the next couple of videos. I know I said that by the next video.
So this was a special behind the scenes video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So, and the other me talking is not the me right now. It's a different me because there are 2 of me. Pause. I haven't paused this one yet. Only one. It's magic. I'm right here. Wait, I was gone for too long and got logged out. Click OK to play again. No. Okay, you get the idea. So, bye Jammers. This was Jaden9308 here. And I'll be making a lot more videos. And hopefully my username will change soon. And my YouTube username. And I'll definitely be making a video to let you guys know. So remember to subscribe so you won't miss that video. Bye, Jammers.